At phine.tech, we simplify 5G to enable the development of 5G use cases, especially in robotics and manufacturing. Being software engineers ourselves, we understand the complexity of integrating a 5G network into the robotics system. To solve this, we created the Virtual 5G Lab, a developer-friendly, cloud-based platform. By simulating the radio layer, our lab eliminates the need for any hardware and is accessible from anywhere. We provide a graphical user interface that simplifies the analysis of complex 5G procedures. This easy-to-use dashboard serves as an entry point for developing, debugging and deploying 5G use cases. Additionally, our network integrates into state-of-the-art robotic simulation software, so that robotics engineers can focus on the core task and easily integrate a 5G network. As a result, our lab reduces 50% of the 5G use case development costs. We offer developer-centric, powerful features such as CI/CD integration, test automation, and also automated quality assurance. With all these features, phine.tech is leading the way in simplifying 5G for engineers and developers alike.